Welcome to ZingKidz.
This video would provide a simple and engaging overview of why India celebrates Independence Day on August 15th. It would include a brief history of India's struggle for independence from British rule, highlighting key events and figures like Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. Fun facts could include the significance of the Indian flag colors, the meaning of independence, and how the day is celebrated across the country. The content would be presented with vibrant animations to keep young viewers interested. Children can participate in Independence Day celebrations. Ideas might include making their own Indian flags, dressing up in tricolor clothes, participating in a flag-hoisting ceremony, or singing patriotic songs. The video could also suggest ways to show patriotism at home, such as decorating the house with flags or watching a parade on TV. The goal is to make the celebrations accessible and fun for kids. This would be a musical video featuring popular patriotic songs that are easy for children to sing along to. Songs like Sare Jahan Se Acha and Vande Mataram could be included, with lyrics displayed on the screen to help kids follow along. The video might also explain the meaning of the songs and their importance in Indian culture. The sing-along format is engaging and helps kids connect with the spirit of the day. India, a land of rich culture and heritage, was under British rule for almost 200 years. The people of India longed for freedom, dreaming of a day when they could govern themselves, speak their language freely, and celebrate their traditions without any restrictions. Many brave men and women, known as freedom fighters, stepped forward to lead the fight against British rule. Among these heroes were Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhas Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and many others who became symbols of hope and courage. They used peaceful protests, powerful speeches, and, at times, daring actions to demand independence. Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence, known as ahimsa, inspired millions to join the struggle without picking up weapons. Instead, they used their voices, hearts, and determination to make a change. For years, the struggle continued. The British government tried to suppress the movement, but the spirit of the Indian people was too strong. They boycotted British goods, organized marches, and spread the message of unity and freedom. Finally, after years of relentless efforts, the dream of freedom came true. On the midnight of August 15, 1947, India was declared an independent nation. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, delivered a historic speech known as the Tryst with Destiny speech, declaring that India had finally awakened to life and freedom. Every year on August 15th, Independence Day is celebrated with great joy and pride across the country. The day begins with the Prime Minister hoisting the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi, followed by a grand parade showcasing India's rich diversity and achievements. Schools, colleges, and communities organize events, flag-hoisting ceremonies, cultural programs, and patriotic songs, bringing people together to remember the sacrifices made for the nation's freedom. Independence Day is not just about celebrating freedom. It's a day to remember and honor those who gave their lives for the country. It reminds every Indian of the value of freedom and the responsibilities that come with it. It also serves as a reminder of the power of unity, showing that when people come together for a common cause, they can achieve the impossible. And so, the story of India's Independence Day is a tale of courage, sacrifice, and the undying spirit of its people. It is a story passed down from generation to generation. ensuring that the lessons of the past continue to inspire the future. Every year, as the national flag waves proudly in the sky, Indians remember the journey to freedom and pledge to uphold the values that make their country great.